Are you tired of wasting seconds every time you close a browser tab with your mouse? Learn the one keyboard shortcut that saves you hours. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact shortcut and where to find it in Firefox's settings. Let's dive in. First, head to the Firefox help page titled Keyboard Shortcuts. Perform common Firefox tasks quickly. Click on the Navigation section. Then click on Search. Click on Search again. And once more on Search. Now click on Search again. Then click on Search. Click on Search once more. And finally, click on Search one last time. Next, click on History. Finally, click on the article titled "This article lists keyboard shortcuts in Mozilla Firefox" to see the full list. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.